basically just knowing that there are people who are undergoing the same thing
Yes.
na pinagdadaanan mo
Yes.
is already a big thing.
It's a big thing. When you posted about having bipolar 2,
Mm-mm.
automatically I was like, parang like an electric current shot through my heart. And I was like, oh my God, Miss Carol.
Oh.
So I messaged, I replied to your post, right? I said,
Yeah.
I have it too. Because when you posted na parang, it was, you didn't want to work out that day. And that's when you knew na kailangan ko talaga mag-workout. I feel the exact same way. Exactly the same. And I was like, man, I feel so seen. Because sometimes, parang feeling natin, grabe, napaka-loser ko naman na hindi ko kayang gawin to. Na sobrang, maybe people are right na ginagawa ko lang tong excuse, baka tamad lang ako. And then when I see someone like you, successful, respected in her work, in the industry, and an icon
na may
already.
ganun din.
May ganun din. And I'm like, wow, the path is so open and available, even if I have bipolar 2
and I
also.
felt the same way. Ganun din. Nung pag may nakita akong mga tao na open and willing to share their experience, talaga ako, hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-cap. Hindi ko na kailangan magtago. Tatanggapin ako kasi marami na kami.
Yes.
Kasi marami pala kami.
Marami pala.
Oo.
Marami
Marami pala kami.